There is a magic here. A stillness so profound, it humbles even the mightiest of souls. In the heart of Finland, where winter holds its eternal vigil, one man dares to chase the fleeting beauty, to capture it, to share it. He is not just a pilot, he is an artist, and the world above is his kingdom. Up here, everything changes. The mundane becomes mythical, the ordinary, epic. The light bends and paints the world in hues of fire and frost. Every frame, a story, every shadow, a secret. Even in the coldest of winters, life moves, life thrives. Day is beginning, and the world awakens in a frost-kissed embrace. For those who dare to rise with the dawn, a story whispers in every snowflake. In this moment, the ordinary transforms, shadows become legends, and the light eternal. This is not just morning. This is the dawn of epic beauty. A world awakened, a story waiting to be told, unleashed from above.